Hello everyone, welcome to Jet to Mastery. In this video, we are going to learn space complexity. So this is the introduction video of space complexity, and we are going to solve more and more time and space complexity problem. Then you will clearly understand in this video. So what is space complexity? And we have a 4 example, and we are going to discuss that 4 example. Okay. Space complexity is nothing but the amount of extra space. Here I have marked, right? Amount of extra space utilized at any point in time during running the code. Let's take, we have a number of instruction, like we have a 10 lines of code or 20 lines of code, any number of lines of code. Okay, so during running our code, so amount of extra space what we have occupied, so that is the space complexity. See, suppose you have an instruction like this, you have a function, so it will receive one parameter, that is an n variable. How much memory it will take? It is just 4 byte. If it is an integer, it is a 4 byte, right? Okay, fine. So this is also 4 and this is also 4, and totally how much memory it will take? It will take only 4 plus 8, 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is 12. Okay, so the 12 is a constant number. Okay, in our, when we have a very huge number of inputs, this 12 is not a big deal. We can neglect our same as per the rule. We have seen already, right, the big O notation. See, the steps to calculate big O notation, the same steps we can follow for our space complexity also. So calculate the number of iteration. Here for the space complexity, we no need to calculate any number of iteration, but we can neglect the lower order terms and constants. Okay, so for the first thing, it is a constant. So what is the answer here? The space complexity will be, space complexity is order of 1, because 1 means it is a constant. Constants, if it is a constant, we can mention it as a order of 1. Okay, let's look at the second example. In the second example, okay, we have declared one array with a size of 10. So let's take, if one array is a 4 byte, so 10 is it will take 40 bytes. Okay, fine. Then int abc, this will create 12 bytes. It's only constant. These things are constants. Long array equal to new long of n. Fine. So here the size is, let's look at the size. This size based on our given input. In the worst case, what will be? My n will be 10 power 8. What will be my array size? In that array size also 10 power 8, right? So for this thing, space complexity is, I can say, order of n. Why I am saying this is order of n? Because this, in the worst case, I have declared the array with n size. Okay, so that my space complexity is order of n. So let's look at the third example, the red color which I have written, that is the example third. Int n, okay, a equal to n, whatever n is there, this variable just taking the only integer variable will take only 4 bytes, so it's a constant thing. Okay, then I have declared one array, one dimensional array. It will create order of n, that is fine, order of n. After that, I have created a 2D array. So it will take n into n square. So order of n square it will take. So which one we can neglect? The lower order term we can reject. So this is the lower order term I have rejected. So my space complexity will be, space complexity is order of n square. So this is my space complexity. So let's look at the fourth example, then you can clearly understand. Then from the next video itself, we can learn more and more time and space complexity. Okay, we are going to find more and more time and space complexity, then absolutely you can learn. Int maximum array, I am going to find the maximum of the array. So user will give it will receive the two parameter, one is array, another one is just one variable. For the given array, I have declared answer equal to the first value. Then I have iterated from 1 to n. Then answer equal to maximum dot answer of answer. This is the number of iteration to find the maximum of array. Then return answer. Okay. Here, have we declared anything, any new space? Not really, right? So the user will pass the array. The same array we are iterating and we are using. So we haven't created any new array. So here we can say my space complexity will be order of 1. So this is the answer. Here this is the answer. So this is the answer, this is the answer. So I hope you have understood the introduction of space complexity. In the next video, we are going to solve more and more the mostly which is mostly recently and the most asked question by the very top product based companies. That question we are going to discuss in the next video. I will catch up in the next video, guys. Bye bye. Take care.